Hey everyone, welcome back to Practice English Easily, the channel where you learn real useful English without boring grammar books. I'm Jeet, and today I brought something very special just for you. Yes, you're about to learn 100 real life English sentences all in one video. These are not random phrases. They are the sentences that people actually use in daily conversations. So stay with me till the end and speak along with me to improve your fluency, accent, and confidence. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's begin with sentences you can use in the morning. I just woke up. Let me brush my teeth. I need a hot shower. What should I wear today? I'm running late. Let's make some breakfast. I love starting my day with coffee. Where are my socks? I don't feel like going to work. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I hope the traffic isn't bad. I packed lunch for today. Don't forget your keys. The weather looks nice today. Time to get going. Quick tip. Repeat after me to improve pronunciation. Now let's move to common sentences for school or work. Good morning, everyone. I have a lot on my plate today. Can we talk later? Please send me the file. I'm still working on that project. Let's take a short break. What's the deadline? That was a great presentation. I'm feeling a bit tired. Let's order some lunch. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm stuck on this problem. Can you help me with this? Let's wrap up for the day. See you tomorrow. Mini challenge. Try to use 3 of these at your job or school today. Shopping or going out. Use these sentences. How much does this cost? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thanks. Do you accept cards? That's too expensive. Can you give me a discount? I'll take this one. Where is the fitting room? I need a bag, please. Let's grab a coffee. What's on the menu? I'll have a sandwich. Is it spicy? The food smells amazing. I'm full. Real English. These are what native speakers use daily. Learn them, live them. Next, let's learn sentences for family and home life. How was your day? Let's watch a movie. Please clean your room. What's for dinner? Can you help me with this? Turn off the lights. The internet is not working. I'm going to bed early. Stop making noise. I missed you today. Section 4. Describing nature and weather. The weather is nice today. It's very hot outside. The sky is clear and blue. It is cloudy this morning. The air feels fresh here. It's raining heavily. The sun is bright today. The wind is strong. The night is cold and silent. The garden is full of green plants. The mountain looks tall and strong. The river is calm. The leaves are colorful in autumn. It is freezing outside. The beach is peaceful and sunny. The storm was scary. The sky looks beautiful at sunset. The weather is perfect for a walk. The flowers are bright and beautiful. The moon is full tonight. Section 5. Describing places. My house is big and bright. The kitchen is small but neat. The classroom is noisy. This library is very quiet. The restaurant is crowded. This hotel is clean and modern. The street is empty at night. The shop is open now. Their home is cozy and warm. This place is very peaceful. The park is full of children. This road is narrow. The train station is busy. The village is calm and green. The market is noisy and colorful. The temple is old and beautiful. The cinema is closed today. The office is big and bright. My school is far from home. This city is beautiful at night. Excellent job. You have now learned 100 describing sentences in English. Repeat them slowly. Speak them daily. Use them in real life. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to practice English easily. We'll be back tomorrow with day 5 and 100 more sentences to make your English stronger and smoother. This is Jeet, signing off. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.